Dear students, good morning. Many of you know and recognize me as we have met many times and almost daily during last session. But some of you may have joined the school this year, that is during the session 2020-2021, and we could not meet due to COVID 2019 epidemic as a result of coronavirus. I am R.K. Duggal, the principal of your school, that is Durga Colony, Duggal's Career Public Senior Secondary School, Rajban Road, Paonta Sahib. My mobile number is 9418230344. That is 9418230344. I welcome you all, and particularly the new students of my school. Now kindly listen to my important instructions, useful for all of you. बड़ा ध्यान से सुनिएगा इन इंस्ट्रक्शंस को, क्योंकि इनके बिना कहीं ना कहीं कमी रह जाती है. Follow these instructions properly in letter and spirit, and those who will not follow will be at great loss, and strict action will be taken against them if they do not follow these instructions properly. The parents, if also listening, may kindly guide their students, guide their wards accordingly. The most important point is all the teachers from 6th to 12th, they are doing hard work. They are doing their best to teach you through online mode for completing your syllabus for your benefit. The syllabus of first term is almost complete. The teachers are giving you homework also. But I am sorry to say, मुझे कहते हुए बहुत दुख हो रहा है, that most of the students are not taking the online studies seriously. Online studies को seriously नहीं ले रहे हैं बहुत सारे students. They think that it is a time pass strategy. वो सोचते हैं तो time pass strategy है, time pass हो रहा है. And all these lessons will be repeated again in the actual classroom teaching. That is the reason why the students do not listen to the lessons properly. पर साथियों भूल जाइए, ये lessons दोबारा repeat नहीं होंगे. You will have to work hard. You will have to listen the lessons properly. You will have to do the homework properly. Sometimes they listen a part of the lesson. Sometimes they do not complete their homework. Dear students, all the lessons are being uploaded on YouTube also, so that you can download at any time when the mobiles are available or the network comes back in your village. Most of the teachers are making complaints regarding your irresponsible behavior. They tell that students are not listening to their lessons. They tell that students are not doing homework. You are not caring for the lesson delivered. Students, you are mistaken if you are waiting for these lessons to be repeated in the classroom again. Due to shortage of time, it is not possible. These lessons will not be taught again. As per the government instructions also, and increase in COVID 2019 cases in large numbers, The schools may not open in the near future, and even after that, to maintain social and physical distance, one has to come on alternate days, maybe even roll numbers on one day and odd roll numbers on the next day. And also maybe in the morning and evening sessions, because on one desk only one student will be allowed to sit because of social distancing, because of spreading of COVID 2019 amongst the students. You are dear to us, your life is dear to us. So we may have to work hard, and you will have to sit accordingly at a distance from each other. And also by that time, half the year will be over. Kindly take these classes seriously, otherwise you may lose 1 year. Already you have been promoted and have taken advantage of COVID 2019 epidemic and had passed the previous class without getting through. Most of the students, some of the students we can say, they have not passed the class, but government has declared them pass due to this corona, we can say. So already you are weak in the previous class and now you are again not serious. Then how can you get through the next class, which is a board class? Now you have entered the board class, mostly 10th class, 8th class, we can say 11th class also, almost board, 12th class, plus 2 class. All the classes are board classes. You will be at a loss if you are not careful. Moreover, as soon as the schools will reopen, if they open, I should say, you will have to face the first quarterly exam out of the syllabus covered during the online classes. Get yourself prepared for the same. Go through the YouTube channel again and again, where the lessons are permanently stored. Listen to these lessons again and again. See your teacher teaching you. Revise the lessons. Prepare the notes. Do the assigned homework given to you. Work hard. Remember, most of you are in the life-making class. And this year is crucial for you. This will make or spoil your career. If you get good marks and study properly, you may be selected for medical or engineering college or NDA, etc. But if you do not work hard, you may fail even, or you may not get a good stream afterwards. This will make or spoil your career, I told. Don't spoil your career. Make your career and try to live with this new type of disease, that is COVID 2019 due to corona. Kindly send the homework done either on WhatsApp or the method prescribed by your teacher. Do the homework honestly and do not copy it from some guide or from the notebook of some old student. That will not be helpful. Do your work yourself. Make teaching learning through online a habit, or you may have to study through this mode maybe throughout the year, as number of COVID cases are increasing day by day, even in Himachal Pradesh. God knows you may have to appear in 2021 exams without entering the school for a single day even. God knows. I cannot say. अगर ये बीमारी ज़्यादा फैल गई तो हो सकता है आपको ये ऐसे ही पढ़ना पड़े और ऐसे ही एग्जाम देना पड़े और स्कूल आप आ ही ना पाए. कई फॉरेन कंट्रीज में भी 1 साल के लिए स्कूल पोस्टपोन कर दिया गया है, बट एग्जाम तो होंगे ही होंगे, पढ़ाई भी होगी मे बी ऑनलाइन. So adjust with online teaching mode, and also remember not to use mobile for other social sites, as then it may spoil your eyes. इधर पढ़ाई भी करनी है, उसमें भी आंखों का काम है. आपने व्हाट्सएप पर जाना है, आपने यूट्यूब पर जाना है. उधर अगर आप सोशल साइट्स का मजा भी ले रहे हैं तो आपकी आंखें खराब हो जाएंगी, आप इधर पढ़ने से भी जाओगे. सो काइंडली बी केयरफुल, डोंट स्पॉइल योर आईज. आल्सो हेल्प दो स्टूडेंट्स हु डू नॉट हैव एंड्रॉयड और आईफोन. कई मेरे बच्चों के पास हो सकता है आईफोन ना हो, एंड्रॉयड फोन ना हो. पहले भी मुझे कुछ बच्चों ने बताया कि उनके पास ये फोन ही नहीं है जिससे कि वो लेसन को सुन सकें, जिससे कि वो यूट्यूब चैनल देख सकें, जिससे कि वो व्हाट्सएप देख सकें. उस एरिया में कई बार सिग्नल नहीं है. कई बार जो माँ बाप जो हैं, माता पिता जो हैं, वो उनका मोबाइल ले जाते हैं, अपना मोबाइल ले जाते हैं और बच्चे उस मोबाइल को अटेंड नहीं कर पाते. कई बार बड़ा भाई या बहन कॉलेज में पढ़ रहा है, उनका भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चली हुई है, वो भी उस मोबाइल का यूज करते हैं. तो ऐसे साथियों के लिए आप अपना लेसन जो है, हो सकता है अगर आपने नोट कर लिया है, आपने रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है, तो व्हाट्सएप पर अपने साथी को भेज दें या यूट्यूब पर डाल करके उस साथी को भेज दें. जब भी उसको समय मिलेगा, जब उसके पास एंड्रॉयड या आईफोन होगा, ही और शी विल मेक यूज ऑफ दैट. टेक केयर ऑफ योर फ्रेंड्स. नाउ another important thing, teachers are regularly teaching you. They have also their family and children. They also require money for day-to-day expenditure. They have not received salary for the last 3 months. Salary is paid if the students pay the monthly fees. अगर स्टूडेंट मंथली फीस पे करेंगे तभी हम उनकी सैलरी दे पाएंगे, क्योंकि प्राइवेट स्कूल्स को सरकार की ओर से कोई भी सहायता नहीं मिलती. यहाँ तक कि मकान का किराया, बिल्डिंग का किराया, सफाई आदि, गाड़ी, उसके खर्चे, उसका लोन, एवरीथिंग, it is to be paid from your fees. It is very important to pay tuition fees as per the government instructions. We are not yet collecting annual charges. We are not collecting bus charges, sports fund, miscellaneous charges, and computer fees, etc. But you must all pay monthly tuition fees for April, May, and June now. I am sorry to say that 3 students, I will not name them, they have not paid the fees of last few months of the session 2019-20. Very sad. How can we run the school? How can we pay the salaries of teachers and other employees if you do not pay fees? Last year's fees is yet pending. Very sorry. They must deposit the last year's fees first. Only then they will get admission in the next year. I will not give them admission in the next year if they do not pay the fees, balance fees of last year. This year fees you may pay in installments. 3 months are due, maybe 1 month, 2 months, and then the third month, or maybe all the 3 months, maybe 2 months at once, 1 month, as per your convenience. Kindly cooperate in this regard to run the school properly and for paying salary of the staff, including peons, including lab attendants, clerk, and the driver. They have no other source of income. Their source of income is only the pay we give them, the salary we give them. That is also very small, because number of students in my school, they are less in number. Fees is less and salary is more. and that too very small for each person. New students must get regular admission immediately by depositing the necessary papers and by paying fees, etc. They should also deposit TC and SLC, transfer certificate or school leaving certificate of the last school. They should deposit copy of the Aadhaar card. They should also deposit 3 photographs of small size. You can say passport size. They should also fill the desired form available in the school. They should also deposit the photocopy of the bank passbook, at least the front page, in which IFSC code is also written and name of the student is also written. And passbook number is also there. They should also deposit SC, ST, OBC, minority certificate, if any. If they are of general category, then no need. But if they are of SC, ST, OBC category or minority category, they should deposit that certificate also, latest certificate. The admission can be taken between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. daily on the working days till 25th June. Till 25th June, I say. After that, if the seats are there, then we will give admission. Or if the government also announces any other date, then we will give them admission. But if the seats are full, then we will not be able to give them admission. Due to social distancing and personal distancing, we can say that we have to keep distance and students will be kept as per the number of seats in commerce also and in science also. Remember, we have only 2 streams, science, medical and non-medical. Minimum percentage 50% because it is a condition of the board. Commerce minimum percentage 45%, and below this percentage no one will get the admission. First come, first served will be the rule, and after fulfilling the seats, no more admissions will be taken. Farrier and compartment candidates of other schools will not be admitted at all. They will not be allowed to take admission in our school. So please take care of these points, follow these instructions properly, and only then we can be safe and we can run the institution properly. Thank you very much.